All right, hello faculty. I'm going to do a video here for you so that you can see how to edit your course outlines in Sharepoint. As you can see here, this is an email that you should have received from our academic assistant, Angelique Sullins. And if you notice, if you scroll down here, there's lots of instructions here. I'm just going to walk you through how you can get where you need to get. Okay, so let's just click on this link. Okay, that's going to take us over here to Sharepoint. You should be logged in. It may ask you to log in, and if it does, that's fine. It shouldn't be complicated. It should be the same login that you use to get to your email or anything like that. So once you're here, you can see we've got a list of all of the courses that we're going to offer in the fall. And so we can just pick any of these courses. Let's say, I want to edit practicum. So I'm going to select this course outline here, and then you can open it in Word online, but I don't think that that's going to be the best option for you because it's going to look strange. And so if we open in Word, and then you may get an error message, open in Microsoft Word, and then it should open your course outline for you. Give it a second here, see if it'll do that for me. There we go. And here's my course outline for Biblical Exegesis Practicum. Okay. One thing you'll notice is there are some things that are locked that you cannot edit. So we can't edit this at all. If I want to try to change any of this, we can't. Okay, and LPC is not going to allow you to do that, and that's a good thing because then you can't accidentally make a mistake. Okay, once we edit it in Word, we can go through here and change some of this stuff. I can change my office hours. I can change, name and email address and all that kind of thing. Main thing that you're going to want to change is just make sure that it's the accurate year, right? Fall 2017. Then you go through if you've got any changes to your course textbooks, you change that. If you're going to make any changes to the course, then go ahead and make your changes in the course. Another thing that's going to be locked in is the grade, not this actual grading part, not the how the course is built. 15% for law, 15% for narrative. But what is locked into place is the actual grading scale. So this is the LPC grading scale, and you're not going to be able to change that. Okay. Moving on down, again, you've got some locked areas here with attendance. A few other things are going to be locked. Disability accommodations is locked. Obviously, your huge bibliography. Hope you've read all of those books. I know I have. No, not quite. Probably not at all. Not even close. So scroll on down here and you've got your class schedule. This is going to be the most important thing for you to update. Make sure that all your dates are accurate. Make sure that all your due dates are accurate. Make sure everybody has that. Then what you're going to get once you've made some changes, whatever the change happens to be, for instance, just notice this is fall 2016, so we're going to want to make that fall 2017. So you make a change. You notice up here at the top, your save icon looks a little different. That's because this is actually going to sync to SharePoint once you save it. Okay, so we're going to click on that save button, and that should sync to SharePoint for us. And then we're just going to close out of the Word document. Now, if you remember, one of the things that needed to change is in the heading. It was 2016. Now, when I open this in the browser in SharePoint, I should be able to scroll down, and you can see right here, fall 2017. Okay, so the changes that I made in Word were updated to SharePoint, and we're good to go. So the nice thing about this is that means you're not going to have to email your course outline to me. You're not going to have to email your course outline to LPC. You're just going to upload it to SharePoint, make sure it's accurate in SharePoint, and you'll be good to go. All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me, text message, any of the normal methods of communication that you get a hold of me with, and yeah, I'll be happy to help you. Have a nice day.